Good morning to each one of you present here and watching this video. Today I, Ahitagni Das, a student of class 9 of DV Model School, is here to describe you the mechanism of a model that is AI and IoT enabled smart rainwater harvesting model that too on a road. So we know that we practice rainwater harvesting on rooftops or terraces of our buildings. But whatever the rainwater which goes as a waste during rainfall by falling on road, so the main objective of my model is to conserve rainwater as much as possible, so to reduce large amount of water wastage. So here we would choose a short stretch of water, a short stretch of road, say 50 meter to 100 meter, considering the various factors like nearby drains, then average rainfall of that area, road slope, etc. The function of AI here is to predict the upcoming rainfall using past data and weather forecast. While IoT involves various devices like rain sensors, level controller, turbidity sensors, etc. Rain sensors would detect the rainfall. The rain sensors would detect the rainfall, which would then trigger the whole system, the working mechanism whole system, and the side drains would collect the rainwater, to uh, which would then go to the underground tanks. The level controller present in the underground tanks would maintain would check the level whether it is full or empty, while the turbidity controller would check the dirtiness present in the water collected in water, and so it will separate the dirt from the rainwater. uh, at last, the underground water tank would consist pump with smart bulbs which would help the rainwater to pass to travel to the transport local transport plants, local plants, when the water tank is full. The purified water, which is then treated in the treatment plants, is then used for various purposes in our daily life. So I conclude my topic by so I conclude my topic. Thank you to all of you for patient hearing.